Question number 13 in the hand. Oh, 5.4 solution. Question number 13 the difference of two numbers is 4. Number pani in count to 4 ani. If the difference of the reciprocals is 4 by 21. Let in song tin count to 4 by 21 ani. Number the two again. Oh, you can tell me let the numbers be number the two. A statement pakataka number sheet na kan mang thin ni let the numbers be pakazok x each one pakazok to x plus 4 kitani 4 in thau ni hey x le x plus 4 to 4 in thau ni one so tianga let ling zong table in thau na ti be tung let ling zong tin thau na 1 by x ling zong to x ling zong to 1 by x minus Hemi ling zong to 1 by x plus 4 equal to 4 by 21. So one can shift to LCM lạc fraction ani fraction le rang LCM lạc which implies x le x plus 4 hi LCM ani ta so 1 x le x cancel 1 x plus 4 le 1 multiply here x plus 4 minus over x plus 4 le x plus 4 cancel 1 x1 is x kan nun le ta ya so 1 x le x cancel here 1 can cross multiply fraction cross multiply to niมาจนให้กับเดียวลงมาเป็นสมศกนั้นจงอาเห็น4ที่บางตัว4 by x square plus 4x equals to 4 by 1กันเนี่ย cross multiply ตัวนี้4เลยให้กับ multiply ส่วน 4x square plus 16x is equal to 21 times 4อันนี้84ถูกต้องส่วน84 ที่เหลือเรามากันเพจเดียวจน minus อันนี้4x square plus 16x minus 84แล้วนี่ตา4 in divide เลยที่เวกากัน divide เลยเวกมา4เลย4 1 is 4 4 4 is 16 4 2 are 8 4 1 is 4 splitting with the middle term กันจบตอนนี้เดี๋ยวกัน number ปัจจุบัน multiply 7 up ไป4 to 7 3 7 3 is 21 7 minus 3 to 4 which implies x plus 7x minus 3 x minus 21 equal to 0 kan nei le chuan tuna chuan kan common kan lang mi pahnia common chu x an nei ve wa x common x plus la panga 7 la panga minus common 3 le 21 3 common x plus 7 3 are 21 bracket chu hi lo ang ve tu rani chuan x minus 3 times x plus 7 kan nei le to 0 lo de ban chuan either dia 0 in kala ve or x plus 7 is equal to 0 ta chuan x ka song le don dia which implies x is equal to 3 or x is equal to negative 7 negative you can declare 3 chuan x value is on to the therefore the numbers are number 2 3 le 7 3 plus 4 to 7 there x plus 4 and question number 13 so question number 14 kan ini nga lang tu na 14 question 2 3 consecutive positive integers are such that the sum of the square of the first and the product of the other two is 46 find the integers consecutive to in dot tinani number in dot chuan odd even atilawa chuan pakhat zeli ni thlau dawn ni 3 consecutive positive integers are masabera x kati chuan pakhatin thlau dawna x plus 1 ania x plus 1 ai pakhat tam le chu x plus 2 and x plus 2 tian lo ni tani chuan equation akan lu tanga equation kan siam so tian ati tani the sum of the kan bel khom tur te chu the square of the first ama sa per hi square anga x ka square anga i bel tur te chu ati plus the product of the other two adang pahi te multiply ati x plus 1 into x plus 2 chu chuan nge tu chuan equation kan inanga 46 atluk chuan hei kan chok felanga x squared plus x into x squared x into 2 plus 2x plus 1 into 1 plus x plus 1 into plus 2 plus 2 equal to 46 along tani chuan like terms te kan chokanga term inang te x square le x square bel chu 2x square plus 2x le x chu 3x anianga plus 246 le lamaron sun phei chuan minus 46 equal to 0 tani chuan kan equation nei chu 2x square plus 3x minus 44 equal to 0 spreading the middle term ania hei x square in coefficient ani chuan 2 le 44 multiply phat tur ani number pani a multiply a 88 apai a 3 88 chu ka prime factorize don ni hala ma hin 88 prime factorize to 2 in 44 2 in 22 2 in 11 long ni tani prime number thang chuan 2 2 4 4 2 8 8 le 11 man thai ni hei hian 8 siama hei 11 11 a 80 pai chuan 3 chuan 11 le 8 ina ni chu chuan 2x square plus 11x minus 8x minus 44 equal to 0 ani le tani chuan common kala lenga which implies ta chuan x che common ani 2x square le 11x chuan x a common a labang chu 2x plus 11 ani ta hian minus a common a 8 le 44 a chuan 4 a common ani 4 a common a 4 in sem thei ve a x labanga minus ilak to wangin 4 2s are 8 2x labanga plus 4 in 11 equal to 0 ka bracket chu hi ang zel tur ani chuan ponami hi ka zonga x minus 4 into in ang hi ayo pakhatila 2x plus 11 equal to 0 kan tile chuan either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is 11 is equal to 0 ka tile chuan x to 4 tinani tani x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 11 by 2 kan deklep le hi kan don lo tinani so and therefore x a chun 4 kan mang don therefore the 3 consecutive positive integers are 4 in katana 4 plus 1 to 5 so 4 plus 2 to 6 4 5 and 6 and integers so 1 15 na look nga lang question number 15 kanina question number 15 chuan the difference of the square of two numbers is 88 number pani te square ve a in minus chuan 88 chuaka chuan if the larger number is 5 less than twice the smaller number number lian zok chu ate zok number let ni apanga pai ne na include chi a ani chuan find the two numbers the number pan hi te chu zong oh let the two numbers be x and y thì oh tu na chuan x and y kan mang ve thei to a where x is greater than y thì oh x lian zo kan ni ti antina ni hi oh x is greater than y so question chuan number te pani square ve ve te in thlau na chu ti a chuan x squared minus y squared chu 88 ati ta ni oh chuan chu equation 1 kan ti chuan and apani na a lian zok chu ati x lian zok a lian zok chu ate zok le ni a 5 pai ati choice the smaller number 5 less ati oh 5 less than 2 is the number oh 2y minus 5 question 2 xiênกันpong aiเลยเสียงกันซาเป็นอ๋อส่วน equation 2 hi equation 1 hi kan ta lu ha the x to p kan ya substituting equation 2 in equation 1 we get kan ti nga equation 2 hi equation 1 akan dalu don x square chika hi da to ne 2y minus 5 holding square minus y square is equal to 88 lo ni tameni chon hai a minus b holding square in kapot paranga a square minus 2ab plus b square minus y square equal to 88 John 2y holding square to 4y square minus 2 5 2 is 10 10 2 is 20 20y is 25 nia hi y square nia le lama hi son pei da minus 88 equal to 0 quadratic kan ni pa oh 4y square y square pai chuan 3y square nia minus 20y ron ni plus 25 88 pai chuan more minus 343 kan ni tan oh 53 so 62 3 so ko ni 63 25 bel chuan 88 chu oh equal to 0 tuna splitting the middle term kan ti le don ni oh number pani a multiply 63 le 3 multiply to 189 multiply 189 up by 20 is on to ni oh 189 to 3 in the 3 6 are 80 3 3 are 9 in here 79 79 in here 9 to 33 chuan heta tang hian apa ya 20 kan song don ni oh 3 pathum kala chuan 3 is 9 9 is 27 in here 27 minus 7 to 20 27 the 7 man to oh 3y square minus 27y plus 7y minus 63 equal to 0 Tilenga well which implies common kalanga ka hian 3 le y ko na y minus 3 in 9 3 9 are 27 here ta hian plus 7 a common vele a chuan y minus 7 9 are 63 chuan bracket pon mi te chu 3y le 7 bel ania chuan bracket a inang ve chu y minus 9 ania equal to 0 ni la tan chuan either okay either 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 or y minus 9 equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 7 by 3 or y is equal to 9. He can bring down, he can negative can level. Oh, so on putting y equal to 9 in equation 2. Oh, equation 2 kan dalu be nga we get equation 2 y kan dalu chuan x is equal to 2y near 2 times 9 ni to me y 9 near 1 9 2 are 18 18 minus 5 ni me x chuan 30 chuan number pani ke chuan thei ta 13 le 9. Therefore the two numbers are 13 and 9. And 50 you can solve. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Đăng tên lộc vì là lâu dần về thế nên into sắc số thì cả lâu share chút sharing is caring.